Hey you there, it's nice that you showed back on this channel again. Okay, it's really nice to have you back. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly do that right away and like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people like you who are likely going to benefit from what we do in this channel. All right, so in this video I want to show us how to create a business manager account. If you are have running your business from Facebook, from Instagram, Business Manager is a very nice platform for you to be able to manage all your assets from one place. It really saves you a whole lot of stress. Okay, by assets I mean your businesses. Okay, so let's dive right in. You just want to go to your browser and type business.facebook.com/create. Okay, so type that and search, and it will bring you to this page. Right now in this page, oh, it's loading. Let's give it some few seconds. All right, so we are here. So from this place, you want to click on the place written create account. Okay, basically what we want to do right now is to create account. Okay, so I'll click on create account. The next thing here is to enter your business name. Please note, this should match the public name of your business since it will be visible across Facebook. It can't contain specific characters. So you really want to read these instructions before putting in your name, your business name rather. So what's the name of the business you are creating this account for? Let's say, what business now? Okay, let's use the same one we've been using, Beam Rice Mill. I think we're going to have this rice mill soon enough. It really has been coming and coming. All right, Beam Rice Mill. Okay, Beam Rice Mill. Make sure it matches the name that you are using on your platforms, okay? And then your own name. This name should be the very name of the Facebook account, your personal Facebook account. The name of your personal Facebook profile is what you should put here. So the name of this account that I am creating a business manager account from is Any Brand Promoters. So I'm just going to leave it like that. Remember, if you don't have an existing Facebook, you won't be able to create Facebook business manager account. All right. So you must have a Facebook profile for you to have an account on business manager. All right. So that said, put in your business email address. I'm going to put in beamglobals.gmail.com and submit. This loading. Give it some seconds as it loads. It's taking much time this time around. It doesn't usually take all this time. All right, our account is created. That is just it. The account is created. The next thing you want to do is to set up your account. All right, so click on done. Check your email. All right, check your email to confirm that an email was sent to you. Okay, there is supposed to be a confirmation email stating that this account was successfully created. All right, so you go to your email address, you go to your mail, your inbox, and look for the message that came from Facebook and click on confirm now. So once you have confirmed, let's give it some seconds to load. Once it is confirmed, you can begin to do your setup from here. All right, so if this account has been created and it has been confirmed from our email, the account is created. All right, so the next thing you want to do here, if you click on this drop down here, if you click on this arrow, you're going to see all the accounts that you have. All the business manager accounts that you have are going to show in one place. All right, in one place, they're going to show here. So if you are just starting out, you're not going to see other accounts in this place, all right? But I have some accounts here. That is why I have Any Brand Promoters at the top. I have Beam Rice Mill, and I have another one. All these ones showing here, all right? So these are the accounts that I have here. That said, let's continue. Okay, so the next thing you want to do here is to add people who should manage your account. All All right, so click on add people, click on people, and come here, click on add. All right, enter the name of the person you want to add. I don't have anybody in mind that I want to add right now, but the name of that person, the name the person is using on Facebook, is what you should enter here. And when you do that, click on add. Click on add. Once you click it, the person will receive a mail, and the person will receive a mail inviting them to access this page. All right. So if you are, this is important. It's important to learn it. And okay, let's make it real enough so that you see. What name should I add right now? What name should I add right now? I don't really have any name in mind, seriously speaking. Okay. I don't have any name in mind. Okay, let's say Mary. Um, so, you click on add, and then enter the email address of the person you want to add to this account. The email address of the person you want to give access to this account. When you enter the name here, sorry, not the name now, the email address of that person. The email address of the person, say for instance, Janet at Gmail or at yahoo.com, whatever. You just enter the person's email here, okay? And the next thing you want to do is to assign role to this person. Be careful the role you can either give the person an admin access or an employee access. If you are giving an admin access, it means the person can have, admin is superior, right? An admin has both employee access and admin access. But if I turn this off, you can only give admin access to someone. If I turn this on, the person automatically has both employee and admin access at once, okay? Now, you don't want to give admin access to just everybody. If you give admin access here, the person is going to have overall control over this. The same level of control that you have on this account is what that person is going to have, including managing your debit card, adding and removing your debit card from your Facebook and all the rest of that. Now, giving this person, and also all the pages you add to this place, the admin will be able to access all of them, okay? All the assets you have on this business account, an admin access person will be able to have access to all of them. But if you make the person an employee, if you give the person an employee access, you'll be able to select which page you want the person to manage, which assets you want the person to have access to on this account. Now, when you've done that, at Gmail, just for instance, it could be any type of mail, all right? I had to do this so that the next button here could show. Okay. At gmail.com. So when you've done that, click on next. All right. When you've done that, click on next. So when you have done that, click on next. My next is highlighted now. Click on next, and then the person will automatically receive an invitation mail asking them to have access to this platform. Once they access it, they will be able to manage your business manager account. Okay, if you are adding someone to, maybe an advertiser, to help you out with your adverts, you want to give the person that level of access. All right, so The next thing here is partners. I think this should do for now. Let's not go into details. You'll get more confused, okay? We will just stop here right now so you see how to create an account and set it up. Under our mentorship, we will go in details to see what and what you should be able to do from here. Okay, let me not leave these ones aside. Other things you want to do here is maybe you want to click on pages. You already have some existing Facebook pages that is not showing up here. If you click on pages, you can see that there are no pages in this place. All right, Beam Rice Mill doesn't have any pages yet. All right, so you click on add. When you click on add, you'll be able to add the page. If you want to add an existing page, click on add page. All right, and then enter the name of that page. You'll be able to have it. If you are not the manager of that page, if you're not the one who created that page, it is someone's page, or maybe you are an advertiser, you want to manage the person's Facebook page for them or Instagram page, click on the person's Facebook page. All right, click on request access. When you click on request access, the person on the other end will receive a notification asking them to grant you access to manage their page. If you don't already have a page, you can create one from here. Click on create a new page. Yesterday we showed video on how to create new pages. All right, so you'll be able to do that from here. That is what this place is all about. You can add your Instagram account here. If you click on accounts, under accounts here you have Instagram accounts. You can add your Instagram account from here. You can add your WhatsApp account from here. If you click on Instagram account, just to show you, I don't want this video to be really long. If you click on it, you can see there is no Instagram account on this linked to this business manager account. Okay, so you want to click on add, and then just like Facebook, you come here and then you connect your Instagram account from here. All right, so that is that. I will see you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe and like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people.